All right, guys, here you go. We got another spray out. This is a black speed shape, and we're going to use a maroon Scotch pad. Give it a nice scuff. Maroon Scotch pad is the equivalent of a 600 grit sandpaper. Now we're going to spray our glass cleaner. I like to use this sometimes on small projects. Takes away all the grease and any fingerprints on that. Now, that is the difference between gloss, unsanded, and sanded. Boop, let's get that out of the way. We don't need that. Now everything's ready, clean, and we're gonna shake up. This is our adhesion promoter. So we're using an adhesion promoter, but in reality, we sanded it. But it's always great to use an adhesion promoter on plastics that might be difficult and you might have issues with the paint peeling. We let that sit for 5 minutes, not a big issue. Go straight to primer, shake up your primer real good. There you go. Whoa, look at that. That fan is massive. So we put 2 coats down. Now we got the Comet Silver. So same like always, shake the can up really good. Even past 50% overlap, and you want that to look really nice. You don't want to get too far. You don't want any dry spray. It needs to look really smooth and wet because that's how it's going to look. We did 1 coat. Now we're going to do 2 coats. We're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and now that's dry. We're double checking everything, make sure we're happy. We're going straight to the candy. Shake the can up, make sure all our pigments are moved around. This can is just translucent candy. Now we put the first coat. Don't get disappointed because, you know, it's normal for it to look so translucent. It's when you start stacking your coats up. Now we're in coat number 2, and look how it's grabbing a little bit more uniformity. It has more body. And you know we're not going to do 3 coats on this. We're going to do 4 coats on this bad boy. And that's really coming to life. Now we're going to go to our 1K acrylic clear. You know we offer 2K clear, but the 1K clear has unlimited pot life. So you can spray tons of projects and still get a great result. And that's what it looks. That's 2 coats of our 1K clear. It's an acrylic clear. It looks amazing. Till the next episode. If you guys love what you see, like, subscribe, and follow.